Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see technically and formally gold market has turned back to the bullish mode. So because you can see with this upward action, these grabbers that we have discussed recently has been erased. Market has turned trend bullish again, but at the same time the shape of the action that we see on the intraday charts really doesn't look like cascading patterns or cascading action. And when you are expecting kind of the upward continuation, you are counting on some strong and more direct action from the market. The price behavior that we see right now doesn't look like the real bullish continuation. That's why, guys, I still have some doubts on the perspective on the upward rally. As I explained yesterday, the classical behavior when the gold market does turning up from some strong support area is like here. So first touching of the support shows the deep retracement and upward continuation. Here it's a bit different action. So take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. Yes, market was able to return back above the 1325 area, but take a look at the manner how this was done. So this tells that this is not some market driving forces. It's not just the demand and supply on the gold market. It's not just the new purchasing power on the gold market. So in this case, we should get kind of this action. So take a look how the situation develops in the first rally. That was the news release, but if you will not take a look at this news release, you'll see testing of the same support on the daily, deep retracement and straight upward continuation. Here it's absolutely different action. And this is understandable because if you know recently, mostly the political driving factors exist as the firing of the Rex Tillerson, the announcement of the possible new tariffs on the Chinese electronic. So that was the major driving factor for the gold, not some economical inner factors, but external political factors. That explains the result of this action. This in turn tells us that it's not yet the quite clear situation whether we should go long or not. Personally, guys, today I think that better markets exist for trading today, and I think that in the gold market it's not time yet for taking any position. So potentially we can't exclude also appearing of the butterfly here. So take a look at the daily chart. If our suspicions will be correct, here market could form the butterfly. It could become the left wing and probably could be right wing right down to the 1285 area. Weekly chart also doesn't give us some clarity because current week and last week are inside ones for 2 weeks ago. So all that we have currently is this some nervous action around this area. As you can see, already market is turning down here. So on the hourly chart, also, as you can see, this real nervous action was yesterday. Market has hit the major resistance 1330, 618 resistance here and turning down. If market will be able to hold above the 1323 area of this support cluster, was previously support, you can see resistance, support, and now it will be a support again. So if it will not drop back inside of this consolidation, that will be at least something. So in this case, we could think about the taking long position and could monitor further the possible price action. But if market will drop here and return back down inside of this consolidation, this increased chance on them. So this will be just, guys, the signs of weakness. As I said recently, yesterday's video, as longer market will stand around major FIB support, as weaker overall situation will be. So if market will just lay upon the significant support without any attempt to go higher, this will be signs of weakness. So that being said, guys, current price action that we see definitely is not a thrusting action. It's definitely not the continuation of bull trend. That's why I think that's right now is not the time to take the long position, and we should keep an eye on the gold market a bit longer, just see what will happen.